Hi everyone, the Space Channel is with you. As you know, the conspiracy theory known as the Flat Earth theory has recently been gaining popularity in the world. Fans of this so-called theory invent a rather sophisticated system of evidence to prove that the Earth is supposedly flat. From a scientific point of view, these evidences don't withstand any criticism, but they can be confusing and even look convincing to a person who doesn't have a specialized education. Before refuting this theory in one word, we need to recall its main premise. According to the views of flat earthers, the Earth is a huge flat disk. The center of this disk is in the area of the North Pole. The continents are situated around the center, surrounded by the ocean. And all this is surrounded by a huge wall of ice, which flat earthers call Antarctica. According to flat earthers, the Sun and the Moon rotate above the Earth, and are something like flashlights. From their point of view, it's due to this that the change of day and night occurs. The stars are supposedly fixed on a dome above the Earth. This, according to flat earthers, explains why different constellations are visible in different parts of the Earth. According to flat Earth adherents, being in different parts of the Earth, people see only those stars that are directly above them. And at this point, we come to one word that denies the theory of a flat Earth. This word is octants. To be more precise, the constellation octants. No flat earther would be able to place the constellation octants on the imaginary dome that supposedly cover the Earth in a way that is consistent both with how this constellation is seen from the Earth and with the flat Earth theory. The fact is that wherever you are in the southern hemisphere, you will see the constellation octants. And the further south you go, the higher the octants will be in the sky. This is due to the fact that the octants lies on the rotational axis of Earth. One of its stars, Sigma Octans, is the southern analog of the pole star. Any attempt to place the octants on the imaginary dome so that it is visible in the southern latitudes is doomed to failure, because for this it must be simultaneously over every point of southern latitudes, and this is impossible, since for this the same stars must simultaneously be in different places. Thus, the position of the octants in the night sky perfectly agrees with the scientific idea of the Earth as a sphere, and doesn't agree with the theory of a flat Earth. Flat earthers, even if they respond to this, always deny it. They say that there is no octants, or make up ridiculous explanation, like there is a screen hanging above the Earth that shows people the right picture. It remains unclear how the screen differs from the dome, and where the octants is located on this screen. It remains unclear how the screen differs from the dome, and where the octants is located on this screen. According to the most exotic versions, flat earthers assume that each person has a microchip embedded in their eye that cause us to see the octants where we see it. It is unlikely to convince ardent flat earthers. After all, if flat earthers were capable of critical thinking, they wouldn't support this so-called theory. Although, I'm still sure that the vast majority of flat earthers don't really believe in this theory, and are cynically exploiting the topic and their readers to make money. Well, that's all for me. Don't argue with the flat earthers, and stand with Ukraine.